Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be teaching you how to make your own origami pig. For this project, you can use any square piece of origami. But in this video, we'll be using a 6x6 inch piece of origami. Want to build it? Let's get started.
Start off by folding in half. Open it up and fold it down this way. Then take these corners and fold it to the crease. And then take this and fold it up however much you like it, because these are going to be the ears. So I would do this much. And then you want to just fold it down, increase it. Take this and fold it up to right here. Flip it over and do the same thing. And then choose one side, either one. I'll choose this one. And draw an eye. Another eye. And the snout. And you're done.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos. And we'll see y'all next time.